So now I am telling you how to design footer. Okay, the footer first is the color. This is dark color. This should be more dark, not light color. To change the color, this is dark, this is more dark color. Okay, next the space of this one is 30. Check the space of this row and change the 30. Okay, then here is the company logo. It should be full logo. It is not looking full logo, it is looking half logo. Make sure logo should be clear properly. Okay, here is a content of the company, short content, 1 2 or 3 line only, like this. Okay, there is no need this detail, you can remove this here. Only company name, company logo and company short content in only this part. Second part is the quick linker. In quick linker there is a menu. There is a menu. This menu not like this vertical, this menu should be in vertical, not like this horizontal. Now is a horizontal, may go to the setting and make them vertical. Now this the setting is a horizontal, that's why it is showing horizontal. So make sure the heading, the setting in the menu go, and then make sure there is a vertical, so it will be shown one by one, not like this. Okay, the color of this logo should be white. Okay, and this text color also white. Quick link, the color should be white, not blue. Okay, third is our services. If in our project is there is our services, you can put like this. If there is not our services, you put here social media. Social media you put there, and you put like this icon here, social media. Here should be social media icon, and here right here social media. Okay, third part. And the fourth part is the contact us. You can change here and put here contact us, and put here mobile number, second email id, and third address. Put this order wise. First is a mobile number, second is email address, and third is a company address. So it is like the four portion. It is a first is a logo and content, second is a menu, third is a social media, yeah, our services. If, which one is available, put like this. And last is a contact us. In last always should be in contact us, not like this newsletter. Okay, no need to put here no newsletter, and not any other project. There is a compulsory every time contact us. Okay, the contact us, the social media, the quick link, and this is the company detail. Make like this. In bottom there is a, there should be address at the rate copyright 26 company name, all right reserved. And then here is a right Fresco software, designed by Fresco Software Solution Private Limited. Make sure here like text like this. Copy the same text and put here, take your button, a link, and like right there like this. Designed by Fresco Software Solution Private Limited. Okay, so like this you always design the footer. So understand now is a first is a color should be dark. What is a color of theme? Use that color, dark color. This is dark color is good, but change this color. This should be more dark color. Okay. This is only always four part. Change all of these things and make sure this is a company logo, quickly, social media, our services, or it always here contact us. Okay. Contact us. All you transfer all this detail is here. And the icon. Here is a background is a dark. Okay, blue. So icon color should be white, not more dark. Okay, you can change like this, and color should be, this is white. Okay, all the font, all these footer should be equal. Check, go and setting, check all the content font. What is a font? The font should be same. Otherwise, you can give the same font everywhere, not different font. Okay, the footer should be designed properly, neat and clean and clear. Now, every font is a equal size. Color should be theme color, and it should be look nice. Okay, to change all the footer setting, and make sure I told you in this video, make sure it will be look like this.